Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegib.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide you with an informative tutorial on using Python Selenium WebDriver with Internet Explorer. Before we start, make sure you have Python and the Selenium library installed on your machine. You'll also need the Internet Explorer WebDriver executable, which you can download from the official Selenium website. You can install Selenium using pip. Visit the official Selenium WebDriver download page and download the Internet Explorer WebDriver corresponding to your Internet Explorer version. Create a new Python script, example IE_selenium_example.py, and open it in your preferred code editor. Make sure to replace path/to/IE_driver-server.exe with the actual path to your downloaded WebDriver executable. Save your script and run it using the following command. This script demonstrates the basic steps of setting up and using Selenium WebDriver with Internet Explorer. Feel free to customize it according to your specific needs. Note, ensure that the paths and settings are correct, and your Internet Explorer browser is properly configured. Additionally, keep in mind that Selenium WebDriver and browser versions should be compatible to avoid compatibility issues. ChatGPT.